Hello everyone, welcome. Today is Sunday Buys Part 5, where we buy crypto every single Sunday with a public portfolio. Now before we go any further, I want to say thank you to everyone who watches my videos, especially the series from episode 1 all the way to episode 5. As a thank you, once we reach 7,000 subscribers on the channel, I will give away a certain amount of XRP or QNT. So stay tuned for that. Leave a like down below to speed up the process towards that goal, 7,000 subs. Now, the portfolio as it stands in today's video is $805. So after today's episode of investment of $200, we will finally be over 1K. We have a nice layer, a nice foundation of a portfolio, and that's what not a lot of people have, especially approaching next bull run as we get closer and closer. For example, a tweet here by myself: you wouldn't plant a seed and dig up every 5 minutes and see if it is grown. This applies to crypto, not just QNT, every single crypto, expecting them to increase overnight. Just like you'd water your plants, build your bags, DCA, dollar cost average. So many will not buy until crypto is in the main news, where Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs, and where crypto videos and information is being pushed towards the algorithm through TikTok, YouTube, or Twitter, instead of building a base during the bear market. These people will not make much money because they'll be buying green candles. Unless you have a lot of money saved up on the side, you will not make much profit. Now, the portfolio as it stands, the biggest holds are QNT and XDC. So for today's video, let's focus on the other four. The first one being Constellation DAG. Constellation Network DAG is probably one of the most underrated DLTs out there. Right? Even look at previous bear market prices, they are not that far from the original prices today. For example, if you compare to QNT, around the $100 levels, past bear market, we were at these single digit positions. Huge X, huge increase from when they bought, not too much for the OG DAG holders. So insane buying points right now, even on the yearly chart at the start of the year, we're at the 4, 5, 6 cent ranges, all the way down to the 3 cent ranges where we bought in the early episodes, up in profit. We are going to buy again today. Now, to remind ourselves, what is Constellation Network all about? Well, it's a layer 0 network, feeless microtransactions, incentivizes enterprise to build sustainable, decent business models on top of it. Their focus is on one of the biggest industries in the world, data. Here's a couple stats from a few different articles. We can see here how much data do we create every single day. This is back in 2018. It's increased a lot by then, but 2.5 quintillion bytes of data for reference, and now by the World Economic Forum, by 2025, it's estimated that 463 exabytes of data will be created each day globally. For reference on the chart, that is 8th position above gigabyte, above terabyte. You can see it right there. Now, how is Constellation Network tackling this? Well, we can see this with the hypergraph, not the hash graph with Hedera hash graph, the hypergraph, a resilient, decentralized network that is globally distributed and built to cryptographically secure complex data types, making this the first scalable crypto security solution for big data processing, essentially unlocking data ownership. And an example of a data transfer protocol like HTTP, there's problems when it comes to security, misinformation. HGTP will be the best exchange of transferring data. So with that all out the way, we will buy DAG itself. Now we have $231, but we're only going to spend $200 today, and we're going to buy $100 worth of Constellation DAG, adding it to the portfolio. Now we are at $907 with the portfolio. We're about to be at 1K. If you think about it, this is 5 episodes in, $1,000 already. You know, think about when we get to 20, 30, 40 episodes. If we're still before the actual bull market is kicked off, we will have a decent sized portfolio. Option number 2 is going to be HBAR. I was eyeing this up in the previous video. We spoke about it briefly. I talked about buying opportunities like this before in these sort of ranges with HBAR. You know, if you think back to November time last year, we had about a month and a half to accumulate these 4 cent and 3 cent levels. Then straight after that, we went increase crazy, right, into the 8 cent positions. And I was thinking to myself, when will we touch these lower positions again? We're talking months here until we reach these lower 4 to 3 cent positions again. We're talking about DCA method. You have to take every opportunity that you see in the market. I do not want to wait that long again, so I'm going to buy HBAR combined with multiple information. We see the total monthly transactions increasing every single month. When you thought it couldn't get even bigger, it just keeps on going. In terms of their biggest use case, Atma.io, utilizing 22 billion products on the Hedera consensus service. We have a tweet here by It's Brandon. If Atma funds their own use case without a slow in pace, there's a high chance there's a major enterprise will be buying $10,000 worth of HBAR every day to fund their usage of Hedera. For even more TPS, something I'm personally looking really forward to, built on Hedera, is Neuron World. Right, they're backed by the UK government, a drone tracking network competing with Helium, powered by Solana. I think this is a fantastic project, going to bring a huge amount of TPS. The use case will be launched in 2025, but it's something to look forward to. Among the many other use cases going live every single week, driving the TPS through the roof. Now, I see so many people say there's so much good things happening for Hedera Hashgraph. There's so many good things happening for Quant Network. Why is the price not moving? Well, it's simple. We're in a bear market. We're in bearish conditions. I think most crazy positive news could happen tomorrow and the price won't move that much. You might get a bear market rally, but nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Compared to a bull market, in bullish conditions, something as small and as slight as a listing on an exchange could send a crypto pretty high in terms of percentage gains, right? It just depends when you are in the market, when you are buying, and when you are selling. Now it's time to buy an HBAR, which we are going to do right now. $100 worth of HBAR added to the portfolio, and now we are over 1K. Buy HBAR there. That is it for today's video. $1,007 balance, all-time profit of $52. We are not doing too bad within a bear market. Let's see what you guys have been buying. The most crypto you bought in June was QNT, then it was XRP, then HBAR, then other than XDC. Let's see some of the comments what some of you guys have been buying, preferably low caps. We have LCX. We have HBAR and XLM. We have Quality and Quantity, HBAR, QNT, VRA, WadsPay, all of them. Quite a few interesting cryptocurrencies. I'm going to add XRP soon, but I want to build a base, 2-3 grand worth of these 6 cryptos, then start adding more. But if you made it this far in the video, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like down below, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one.